RDS Farm is a collection of multiple remote desktop session host servers working together under a single management umbrella to provide scalability and load balancing. When comparing Instant RDS Farm and Full RDS Farm, you are looking at two different methodologies for deploying and maintaining these servers in VMware Horizon. A Full RDS Farm consists of dedicated, persistent, and standalone RDSH servers, where each server is deployed as an independent virtual machine with its own unique operating system disk. This means updates must be installed on every server manually, and it consumes significant storage since each VM clones the entire application stack. In contrast, an Instant RDS Farm leverages VMware's instant clone technology to rapidly spin up clones from a single golden image on demand. Maintenance is simple. You only update the golden image once, and a push image operation automatically replaces all old servers with brand new, fully patched ones. This drastically reduces storage overhead because all clones share the same virtual disk read access from the replica. Choosing between them depends on your need for persistence versus efficiency and rapid lifecycle management. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.